This is the May. Is it May? What is time even? Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, this is the May Boxycharm Battle. If you want to see what I got in both boxes and see which one is better, then just hang out. So what I do in my Boxycharm battles is I subscribe to both the regular box and the premium box, and I compare them every month head to head to see which one, I don't know, wins. It's subjective. Like, which one did I like better? Which one do I think is the better value? Which one just had better stuff in it? If you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box that includes full-size beauty items for about $25 a month. You can also upgrade to the premium offering, which gives you at least one more item in each box, and they're just more of a premium vibe, you know? But you know what? Sometimes some of the stuff that comes in the premium box ends up in regular boxes. How many times am I gonna say box in this video? Is anybody keeping track? So let's just start with standard. So the first item to talk about is from Murad. This is the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer that retails for $74. Ooh la la. We're starting off strong for a standard item. The value of this item is worth 3 times what I paid for this box, so daily dose of pollution and blue light from could we just stop with this blue light pollution baloney? I don't think it's real. So this has supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen the skin's barrier while you sleep. Well, I've only been able to use this a couple times. It's very, very, very heavy night cream. It also says that there is vitamin C, which, you know, we love for our fine lines and wrinkles. You know, I haven't noticed my face totally changing, but I've only used it twice, so the jury's still out on that. What I like the most about this is because it has vitamin C in it, sunshine and even air from opening the containers could make it unstable, right? So this container is cool because you don't open it at all. What you do is you press down on this plunger and it squirts out of the middle and then you just wipe it off. So you never actually open it up, which keeps it safe for longer. Very happy with this. Okay, next up, I did not get this item in my box. It says that it's here, according to this card, but it's not. It's supposed to be the Beekman 1802 Dewy Eyed Illuminating and Depuffing Eye Serum that retails for $42. Well, it ain't in here. It's supposed to be in the box, not in the box. That's a subtraction for you, Boxycharm Standard. There's an item missing. Wah, wah. Moving right along, the next item is from Skin Inc. This is the My Daily Dose of Uplift that retails for $65. Skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid to deliver an anti-aging power punch. Well, we love punches. This is the cutest shit I've ever seen in my life. Look how cute! It's got like a suspension of little bubbles. It reminds me of that drink from the 90s, Orbits. Was that what it was called? Do you remember this? It had like bubbles floating in it. This is like pre-bubble tea. So the directions for this is to drop 2 or 3 drops in your regular moisturizer, which is what I have done. So it's just gonna like rev up your regular moisturizer without making it sticky or anything weird. 10 out of 10 for packaging and presentation. So cute, love it. Next up is from Ciate London. This is the Shadow Flip that retails for $20. It's a liquid eyeshadow with shade shifting, color flipping pigments, multi-chrome effect. This is the color Ember. Now see, on camera it's definitely showing a bronze, but in person there is definitely very obviously green shift in here. Multi-chrome, not just duochrome. So what I'm seeing with my eyeballs is maybe even a little bit of blue, some bronze, some gold, and some green. So I thought for sure that it was gonna be a dupe for this Natasha Denona Chromium liquid eyeshadow. When I swatched them next to each other, not at all. This is definitely like a bronzy tone for sure, more like brown notes. And this is just green for sure. Green, gold, blue. The formula of this is not as nice as the Natasha, but it's nicer on the price. So for $20, it's nice to add another color of this multi-chrome shadow to my collection. Okay, and then last up, this is from Sophia and Mabelle. This is the Hydrating Hybrid that retails for $15. It's a lipstick and lip balm in one. This is the color Topless. It looks like a brown nudie tone. I didn't use it today. Maybe I should have. I feel like I already have this color about 100 times in my collection, so I'm just gonna not touch it so that I can give it away to somebody else who might like it a little bit better. It's lipstick lip balm combo. just didn't blow my hair back. Let's recap the standard box, shall we? If I add up the retail price of all the things that were supposed to come in the box, it adds up to a value of $216. But I'm missing an item that is $42. So what is that? Alexa, what's 216 minus 42?
216 minus 42 is 174.
Thank you. No talking back? Okay, that's fine. That's fine, Alexa. Rude. So what did she say? I already forgot. Alexa, what's 216 minus 42?
216 minus 42 is 174.
I have literally no memory. I'm a goldfish.
It is often said that goldfish have a memory of only a few seconds, but this is not entirely true.
Wow, that was shady as fuck, Alexa. So rude. Wow, she just twisted the knife, didn't she? Wow, wow. So the value of the items that actually arrived in the Boxycharm standard this month add up to a value of $174. So still good for what I paid. Mostly it's just this I like. This and this. Oh, and this, I guess. So these three things. I'm miffed that the fifth item didn't arrive in the box. That's lame. Moving on. Okay, I didn't even bother to show you guys the card. The theme this month is Flourish. It seems to be very skincare focused because in the first box, there was 2 makeup items and mostly skincare. And in this box, it's like all skincare and 1 makeup item. So the first item is from Bloomeffects. This is the Royal Tulip Nectar that retails for $65. It's a healing ointment to serum, hydrator to nourish, soothe, and repair the skin's barrier. First of all, you guys, this container is so luxe. It's glass and it's heavy as hell. You could probably kill somebody with this. Don't do that. I don't know what I expected this to be because I didn't read the card before I opened it up, but it's so weird inside. It's definitely like, it's like jelly. It's like jam in there, like marmalade. It reminds me a lot of like a honey salve. It did not come with a little scoop or spatula to get the stuff out, which sucks. That's a bummer. So you just scoop out the tiniest little amount and then you rub it all in the skin. I have a major problem area here. You can probably see it. I feel like it's helping. I've also used this on my elbows and on my really dry spots, like my shins on my legs. I don't know about you guys, but it's like the driest, like around my ankles and stuff. Ash City, disgusting. So I've been using this and it's been working. I like it a lot. I am gonna use every drop of this. Next up is the one makeup item that came in the box. This is from Too Faced. This is the Melted Chocolate Eyeshadow that retails for $21. This is the color Amaretto. It's the only eyeshadow that I have on today. It has like a little doe foot applicator inside, much like a lipstick or lip gloss. I really like this. So liquid eyeshadow is definitely the answer for somebody who wants a one and done makeup look. I put it on very lightly. It's very buildable. It dries down completely. It's not sticky. It's not shiny. Don't be afraid to play with liquid eyeshadow. It's awesome. Yeah, it blends really nicely. I mean, look at this. It's very soft. And the color that they sent is lovely. So yay. Okay, next up is from Odacite BL+C. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce this. This is the Pimples Black Cumin and Cajupi Serum Concentrate. This retails for $36. It's a tiny little jar. This smells very much like tea tree oil. Oh yeah, it's very medicinal. Formulated especially for problem skin, this potent serum helps to reduce the appearance of blemishes. It's so concentrated that 2 to 3 drops, morning and night, is all you need to awaken skin's beauty. Black cumin oil helps to purify, blah, blah, blah. I mean, this is not tea tree oil, but I feel like it's the same vibes. For some people, it's a little too strong and you want to mix it with another, like a carrier oil or maybe even with a moisturizer or something like that. I just dropped literally 2 drops on my fingertips and just pressed it into the areas that are problematic right now for me. I also had a zit right here. This is totally smooth and gone. I'm excited about this. Next up is from Grown Alchemist. This is the body cream Mandarin Rosemary Leaf. This retails for $26 and you're getting 4.05 fluid ounces, so a lot. I think I've gotten one of everything from this brand and I like it. At first when I saw it, I was like, could we not? Could we get something else? I like the tube because it's like an old school like metal tube, meaning you're gonna be able to squeeze everything out of it. And as you roll it up, it will keep the shape because it's a metal tube. So I love that. I have been using this like a madman. Hang on, let me put on a little more. It's very lightly scented. I mean, I think it's light for a body lotion. Typically those are like heavily scented, you know? It's just very like a green and fresh smelling. So rosemary for sure. I mean, what can you say? It's lotion. I'm gonna use it all. It performs nicely. It doesn't feel greasy. It definitely soaks into the skin. It doesn't leave like that greasiness. So I could definitely snap. Who snaps anymore? Okay, next up, this is from Larousse Beauty. This is the on-the-go set that retails for $96. This is a 3-piece set. There's a dense domed brush for foundation or contour, a powder brush for highlighter or blush, and a small dense angled brush for eyeliner or eyebrows. These brushes are really nice. Super soft, like probably some of the softest brushes that I have now. I used the foundation brush today with my foundation. It applied very nicely and did not soak up too much. I used this to kind of set my under eyes with powder, but let's go in with some highlighter, see how that goes. Oh yeah, that's nice. Because of the shape and the size of it, it's giving a very diffused application. The handles feel good. They have like this, whatever texture this is, it's got like a good grip and it's like that soft touch plastic, you know? The price point of this is terrifying. They do perform well and they feel nice, so I like them. Last in the box from Rodial is the Dragon's Blood Eye Mask. This trio of eye masks retails for $18. It combines biocellulose technology with dragon's blood complex to intensely hydrate the delicate eye area with an immediate depuff effect.
It is known. It is known.
I was intrigued when it said dragon's blood, mother of dragons.
Well, remind me again, what is your real name?
Karen.
I used one of these eye masks today before I put on my makeup. I don't love the shape. They seem like they're maybe a little small. You know what I mean? The little arch part of the under eye circle, it doesn't seem like it's big enough to like fit. I don't know. It didn't lay down very nicely. They're kind of thick for an eye mask. You know what I mean? Like a lot of times they're like a jelly material, or they're thin enough to where the contour will hug your face, and that didn't seem to happen here. But they were very juicy. I rubbed in the extra serum after I let them sit for like 15 minutes. Is that what it says? Oh, 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, well after 15 minutes I took it off, rubbed in the extra serum, and my makeup laid down nice on top of it, so not bad. Would I buy them again? No way. When you add up the total retail price of all of the items that actually came in this box, shade, Boxycharm standard, the value is $262. Great value. You're getting a lot of really great things. I'm really enjoying this lotion. I really am intrigued by this and really enjoying this. Surprisingly love this liquid eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using this a lot. So comparing the premium box with the regular box, which one wins? I'm gonna go with the premium box because everything that is on the card actually was in the box, so. Let me know down in the comments below what came in your Boxycharm, if you got any of these same items, if you're loving them, if you're hating them. Let's talk about it. If you don't know how to subscribe to Boxycharm, there will be a link down in the description box where you can click and subscribe if you feel like it. All of the items that I mentioned today will be listed down below with links and coupon codes if I have them, and I will also make sure to list all of the rest of the makeup that's on my face that maybe I didn't talk about. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like this one, then consider subscribing to this channel before you leave today if you are not already. I upload new videos here on YouTube every week, and you can follow me on most of the other socials as well. There is some fun stuff a-cooking, you guys, so hold on to your butts that I'm really excited about, and I can't wait to share with you guys. Fun stuff is coming. That is it for now. I will catch you next time in the next video. Bye! I'm rushing. That's expensive. What is this? On like the super duper pollution. I am panicking. Oh shit. Alexa, cancel alarm. Man, I gotta hurry up. Got somewhere to be.